Types of software and computer languages. A computer works on a set of instructions. This set of instructions that enables us to perform a specific task is called software. Let's learn more about the types of software and computer languages. Software and its types. Software is a set of programs which cannot be touched or felt. It provides better communication between a computer and a user. A computer cannot operate without a software. Software is classified into three categories: system software, application software, and programming software. System software. System software refers to the programs designed to control the operation of a computer system. It is a computer software which manages and controls the hardware so that application software can perform required tasks. System software are further classified into operating system, device drivers, and language translators. Operating system. The most important system software is the operating system. When a computer is switched on, the first program that is loaded in the memory is the operating system. It acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. Windows, Linux, and Mac OS are some popular operating systems. Device drivers. A driver is a program that enables a computer to interact with the hardware devices like printer and pen drive. Language translators. Language translator is a program that translates a set of instruction codes to machine-level language. There are three types of translators: compiler, interpreter, and assembler. Compiler. Computer understands machine language only. It consists of 0 and 1. The compiler translates a complete program at once before passing it to the CPU. Interpreter. Interpreter translates a program line by line, passing each line to the CPU for execution before the next line is interpreted. Assembler. An assembler is a program that produces machine code from assembly language program. An assembler is generally used for hardware programming. Application software. An application software allows the users to perform one or more specific tasks without having any knowledge of computer programming. Application software includes programs that do specific work for a user. Word processor, spreadsheet, and PowerPoint are some application software. Programming software. A programming software allows the programmer to develop a program for computer application. Text editors and diagnostic tools are some programming software. Computer languages and their evolution. Language is a medium to express views and feelings. Computer also has its own language. To communicate with the computer, we need instructions to be written in a language which can be understood by the computer. The process of writing specific instructions in computer's language is called programming. Let's look briefly into the history of programming languages. First generation languages, 1GLs. First generation language, 1GL, is essentially a machine language. It is the only language that a computer understands. Instructions are given in the form of binary digits, that is 0 and 1, where 0 indicates off state and 1 means on state. Machine language occupies low memory and is very fast as it is executed directly by CPU. It needs no translation as it is written in machine language itself. But understanding and learning machine language is a tough and time-consuming process. Machine language is also considered as low-level language (LLL). Second generation languages (2GLs). Second generation language 2GL refers to the assembly language. This language uses mnemonic codes or symbols instead of 0 and 1. For example, 0010 means add in binary language, but in assembly language, it is directly written as ADD. Computer understands only machine language. So, assembler converts assembly language into machine language. Since programming in this is time-consuming, it is also considered as low-level language (LLL). Third generation language 3GLs. Third generation language 3GL refers to a high-level language HLL. A high-level language is simple to learn, write and understand. It is very similar to the English language. A program written once in high-level language can be run on different types of processors, but needs to be translated into machine language by translator programs. Compiler and interpreter are the two types of translators used. Basic, C, C++ and COBOL are some examples of high-level languages. Fourth generation languages, 4GLs. The purpose of fourth generation languages, 4GLs, is to reduce programming time, effort and cost by offering different methods of generating code automatically from a simple framework. It has a very high speed of execution. Some common types of 4GLs are listed below. Database query languages, structured query language, SQL, natural, report generators, report builder, Oracle reports, rapid application development tool, Power Builder, Oracle Forms, table-driven codeless programming, eDeveloper, GUI, web development tools, Cold Fusion. Fifth generation languages, 5GLs. Fifth generation language, 5GL, is the language used in the field of artificial intelligence. It is designed to reduce the level of programming efforts. Here the users specify the required output they want, while the computer determines the sequence of instructions that will accomplish those results. Thus, scientists are trying to develop artificial intelligence in computers so that they can think and take decisions themselves.